All right, so now I can install, everything's here. I can install my ethanol kit in my Kpro V3. And no, you don't need a V4, but this is what you need right here. You can see it's kind of being blocked, but I'm trying to move it. It says ESVA, and it's a ethanol sensor voltage adapter. So what it does is it converts the digital signal into an analog signal, because the Kpro V3 can only read analog. The Kpro V4 can read digital. So this right here converts this GM sensor right here, that's a digital signal, and it's going to convert it into an analog. And this is the proper voltage. Do not get the K-tuned one. The K-tuned one is a piece of crap. It doesn't work. This, I bought it in the US, so the K-tuner one's probably made in, you know, China somewhere, and it's just a piece of garbage. I see a lot of bad reviews on it. This right here, no bad reviews, and it was specifically made for this GM Continental ethanol converter. So I had bought this clip a while ago, and everything here is brand new. These are the Russell fittings, and there's like a little O-ring in here. So how you put these on is you have to put this on first, because it has this little slit in here. So let me try to get it on there. I don't think I can do this one-handed. And then you have to, let's see if I can do it. So you have to push this on here, and it has an O-ring. So let me see if I can do it one-handed. It don't matter, I could do it like that. But see, I would have to push it back. Yeah, it's, okay, that'll work. It's hard to do one-handed, but it's almost there. Come on. Okay, that should do it. There we go. So yeah, you screw this on right here. Wow. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so basically like that. So you get the drift. So once this thing's on there and it's completely screwed on, then you add your regular fitting right here. So it's just gonna go like this. Let me push it over. So that's it. Now you're gonna have your ethanol fit in. You can place this. You wanna place this on the return line, but before the fuel pressure regulator. So mine comes out of the return line, and then the fuel pressure regulator's down towards the back of the engine by, you know, actually towards the VSS sensor. So I can mount this pretty much anywhere. You can buy a little mounting clip for it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might do that because it'll make it a bit easier. But yeah, if I get a little mounting tab, instead of it'll just kind of like hang there, I can mount it. But yeah, that's everything. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll install it.